case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A Kentucky teacher, David H. Dixon, lost his job in 2007 after taking topless photographs of a female student during a school-approved photo shoot. Dixon filed a complaint against 4 individuals, claiming they violated his civil rights by providing false evidence leading to his termination. However, the district court dismissed the complaint due to the statute of limitations and imposed sanctions on Dixon's attorney. Dixon appealed, and the court affirmed the district court's decision, stating that Dixon's claims were barred by the statute of limitations and immunity, and his claims under Rule 12(b)(6) were properly dismissed. The court also upheld sanctions and lacked jurisdiction over Dixon's recusal disqualification motion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.